Hey lippy lovers, I'm super pumped right now because we have a brand new launch that I'm giving you my first impression and my honest review of. This is something we have never ever done before. Mini freaking glosses, you guys, and they're scented. Like, oh, I'm so excited. Like, we've never had scented glosses, and like, I can't tell you how many times in videos before I've said, even if it didn't make it into the final one, I always smell stuff. Don't I always smell stuff? And it never is scented, and now it is. And they're little tiny and so cute, and it comes with a cute little gift tag. These are for the holidays. This is the holiday scented gloss minis. Is that the right name? Is that what we're calling them? LIPSENSE Gloss Minis Holiday Scents Collection. Okay, I was like 90% right. Like, okay, we're gonna get technical here. So what it is it's 4 LIPSENSE glosses. So it's the same formula, but it's shrunk down into little glosses. And it actually comes with a little gift tag because it's perfect for gifting. Now, as of right this second, these are sold out company-wide. I do have a few left, but that could change. So make sure you guys text my customer service number, or you can order at my website. If I still have some, they'll be in stock on my website. Now, I need to know, before I show you these, what is your favorite holiday smell? Okay, we've talked about fall smells. I need to hear your favorite holiday smell. Personally, I like more of like the wintergreen, like woodsy smells. I mean, that's like in line. That's like on brand for me because I always say that. I like the pine moments, mostly Bath & Body Works. So let me know what your favorite winter smells are. Now these are obviously gonna be like scented, fruity, like yummy smells. I'm gonna be trying these for the very first time and letting you guys know, 1, what they smell like and how strong it is, 2, what I think, and 3, showing you guys close up on bare lips. Keep watching to see my first impression of the LIPSENSE Gloss Minis Holiday Scents Collection. Whew, that's a mouthful. So a lot of you have asked if these are available individually. They are not. They are very small. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh, it came like tied, cute, or did I do that? I don't know. The gift tag just fell off. That's okay. Okay, look how cute they are. You know how things are just cuter when they're mini? Now, I think this is the same size as our liquid eyeliner. Oh, I think I need $1 for every time I almost drop something in a video. Okay, here are the colors / smells. Plum Wine, Ginger Snap, Sparkling Cider, and Peppermint Punch. Can you guys tell I'm so excited? I love smells, and we've never had scented glosses for, like, honestly, forget the fact that they're mini. Like, yeah, they're cute, whatever. But the fact that they smell good, yes. Oh, I need these full size, honestly. They have like a good mix of finishes. So like, Ginger Snap looks like kind of metallic-y. Peppermint Punch and Plum Wine look just clear. And then the Sparkling Cider looks like shimmery. So it looks like a good mix, actually. Okay, I'm gonna start with the Sparkling Cider. Okay, here we go. First smell. I'm so excited to smell it. Oh. I don't know what this reminds me of. Okay, it kind of reminds me of like, this sounds so weird, of like lip smackers. Now this one's, they say it's like sparkling champagne or like sparkling wine. I can see that. It's like very fruity smelling. I mean, I don't like specifically smell like apple. It's called Sparkling Cider though. I mean, I could see apple. Okay, let's put this bad boy on. I'm trying to decide, people were like, how strong are the smells? I mean, I can kind of smell it while it's on my lips. This formula feels so smooth. It's like a really subtle shimmer. It's nothing too crazy. Very sheer, very lightweight. This does not feel like heavy or sticky at all. Let me show you guys a close up. Okay, this one gets a thumbs up. The smell, love it. I can still smell it a little bit, but it's really not that strong. Like, I don't think someone like I'm talking to could smell it necessarily. I don't think it's flavored though. I'm just gonna throw that out there. I don't know if anyone's even talked about that yet, but nah, no flavor, fam. Let me wipe this off and we'll move on to the next shade. Now I might still have some residual shimmer. You guys will have to forgive me. The next shade we're gonna look at is Ginger Snap. Now this one is like kind of a bronzy metallic looking, kind of like the same finish as Red Delicious and Honeycrisp. Let's give it a whiff. Ooh. Oh, okay, this, like, that hits, okay. This reminds me of like warm vanilla sugar from Bath & Body Works. Like, that's the vibe I'm picking up. Like, this is like something in the oven. Oh my gosh, I love this smell. Okay, let's put the gloss on. So this is like if beige champagne and glossy gloss got together for a night out and made a little baby gloss, this would be it, okay? It's like beige champagne, isn't it? Don't you guys think it looks like beige champagne? Obsessed. I want this in a full size. It smells amazing. I feel like I'm that meme on TikTok where it's like beautiful, wonderful, incredible, amazing. I need 12 of these for myself. Like for real, I'm obsessed with this. Smells so good. I can like kind of still smell it a little bit. Okay, must have for me. I love this gloss. I love it, I love it, I love it. I don't think I've been this excited about a gloss in like, wow, a really long time. Maybe like ever. Wow, speechless. Okay, let me show you guys close up. I just like don't even want to take this one off because what if I don't like the other ones as much? Like, these feel so smooth. Like, I don't know if this formula is different. I guess it has to be because of the scent, right? This one's like 2 huge thumbs up, 2 of them. We're gonna move on to Peppermint Punch. Let me take this off. Okay, so for this one, it looks to be red and clear, kind of like Juicy Cherry. I mean, it reminds me a lot of Juicy Cherry. Okay, let's pop this bad boy open. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like minty. Okay, let's throw this one on. Like on the applicator, it looks a little bit more sheer than Juicy Cherry actually. Now there's still some residual shimmer. We're just gonna ignore that, okay? Oh, this is more like pinky red than Juicy Cherry. And actually not as much red. It's like a lot more sheer than Juicy Cherry. Fear not. And I don't know if I'm imagining this, but it kind of feels a little tingly. Am I imagining that? Let me know in the comments. Wow, really pretty. It's really pretty on. It's more sheer than I thought it was gonna be, but I really like it. The smell, on point. Honestly, out of all of these, sparkling cider is my least favorite smell. Ginger snap's still my favorite smell, but this one I think is the lightest weight actually. I'm just obsessed. Like, I just love it. I can't help it. It does feel a little tingly. Am I crazy? Like cooling a little bit? Either that or I'm having an allergic reaction to something, but I don't think that's it. Yeah, it's a lot more sheer than, let me show you guys a close up. I have to have a least favorite. So out of all of them, oh my gosh, I can't even rank them like that. They're just really different. Now that they're coming out with mini stuff, it's like, what are they gonna come up with next? Like, I wanna see more minis. I want more minis. Give me the minis. Okay, last but not least, let me put on Plum Wine and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So this shade looks to be a matte as well. It doesn't look like it has any shimmer in it. It looks like this might have like a ton of color payoff like Galaxy Glitter did. So let's try Plum Wine. Actually, my least favorite smell out of all of them. It's really similar, well, it's a little fruitier than the sparkling cider. Let me go back. This one smells like a little bit brighter. This one reminds me of like a type of gum, like a fruity gum. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? What does that remind me of? I can't think of what it is. It's like powdery on the outside. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Okay, let me put this on. Oh, it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. Honestly, like, I could care less about fruit smells. If you can make something smell like something I wanna eat, like a baking cake, like I'm all about that life. Like, do you guys remember when Jessica Simpson has a whole line of like body lotions and like stuff that was like edible and it smelled like you could eat it? Okay, this is really pretty though. I don't know what this reminds me of. We don't really have anything like this. It's like Madeline gloss, but like a little bit more color to it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I really like this one too. Out of all the smells, the sparkling cider is my least favorite, honestly. I like ginger snap the best, candy cane, then plum wine, and then sparkling cider. And I'll stand by that. Okay, let's look at a close-up really quick. So, okay, I ranked the smells, now I'm gonna rank the colors. Ginger snap, plum wine, peppermint punch, sparkling cider. Why is sparkling cider at the bottom of both lists? It's just really sheer. I think that's why. I feel like we've had a lot of glittery ones lately, so it's like, you know. I wanna hear which one is your favorite from the collection down below in the comments. I really like this collection. I'm really sad it's sold out already. Yeah, you can't really smell it after you've been wearing it a while though. I want scented glosses full size. Can we please riot for that? Like, who's with me on that? Overall, this collection gets a huge thumbs up for me, like 1,000 thumbs up. Like, oh, like I need it forever. All right, guys, my viewer of the week is my homegirl right here. Thank you so much for being one of my amazing viewers and subscribers. Remember to be viewer of the week and be featured in one of my videos. All you have to do, all you have to do is be 1, subscribe to my channel, 2, leave me a comment below so that I know you watched, so I can say thank you for being awesome. Give her some love, give her a subscribe, tell her she's awesome, because she is. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Just in case you guys forgot to subscribe, all you have to do is click below, hit my face, and you'll subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click on your right to check out my most recent video. I just can't even look at it, you guys. It looks so bad on me. I mean, this is gonna be good if you need a yellow lipstick, for real. I'm really loving these glitter formulas though. Like, I need this in a red. This looks horrendous.